Hey, this is Justin Gilman, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you could turn your business into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your company month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding lawn care businesses in your area. And if you're like me and many others, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in the upper search bar, and then after doing that, you're going to submit your search and pick from the first few results down below or up here in the Google Map Pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you do, but it seems to be a pretty popular option overall to find services on Google, as you'll notice there are 480 searches a month for lawn care companies in the Houston area. Now, the goal of this video is going to be to put your business at the forefront of those searches. That way, we can guarantee that almost 500 people every single month see your business first before looking at a competitor. However, in order for that to happen, there's a few different things that we're going to need to do first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is very important on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitors' websites, see what they're doing as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and talk about what you'll need to do when you start building out your own website. So here we have Lawn Love, and if we scroll down their website, you're going to notice that they have tons and tons of content. And that is done on purpose because ultimately having a lot of content promotes a positive user experience by giving users something to engage with. And that's exactly what Google's looking for when it promotes a website to the first page, is that you really do your best to promote a positive user experience. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page, but we're going to need to go bigger and better than our competition, so you might even need to go more than that. But even further, if we examine the content itself, you'd start to realize that they have tons of industry-specific keywords. Keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on those keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a business. So very important that we not only have a very contentful site, but that we also have the industry-specific keywords to back it. I would recommend keywords like lawn care, Houston. Like I said, really just keywords that tell Google any vital information you want them to know about our business. So just a quick recap, 750 to 1,000 words of content, bare minimum on any page, industry-specific keywords, and if we do both of those things, we should be able to set a very strong foundation for our website and determine where we rank. However, there's a whole second part to this, which is our external side of things, which is going to be our backlinks and our citations. Now, backlinks and citations are very important because they're going to help us climb the rankings, where, like I said before, our internal is going to help set the foundation and determine where we rank. So let's take a look at this website's external backlink structure and see what they're doing so far. So here we are on Ahrefs, and you'll notice they have 96 backlinks built to this page, and they're generating almost 3,000 users every single month. Now, those 3,000 users are a direct result of the content they're using, the keywords, and their backlink structure. So like I said, we really want to go above and beyond them at every single facet. So we're going to want upwards of almost 200 backlinks. I would recommend going upwards of 500 backlinks to really push that margin on top of our content and our keywords. And if we do all of that, there's no reason as to why these 3,000 users shouldn't start to leak over to our website as well and really generate some revenue for our business. But now, there's one more aspect of this that I didn't mention so far, and that is citations. So let's go back to the Google Map Pack, talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. So here we are in Google, and if we scroll down, we have this Google Map Pack. Now, Google Map Pack is very important because it gives our business a second place that we can be seen online. And the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different factors when it ranks its companies, one of the most important being citations. Citations are all the different places your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Facebook, Instagram, Yelp, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books. All those are different citations you can get for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and see how many citations they had, and found that the number one company had 72 citations, followed by 56, and lastly 38. So if number one has 72 citations, we want to go above and beyond them and get 144 citations for our business to really put us on top of everything with our content, our backlinks, and our industry-specific keywords. Now, if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement, the amount of traffic our business is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue our website will be bringing back for us month over month. Now, that's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what could an extra 480 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.